Lesson 6. Patterns. The designs, shapes and groups of numbers that repeat themselves in a predictable manner are called patterns. In mathematics, we use patterns to find solutions to similar questions involving large numbers without doing actual calculations. We see many patterns around us on clothes, carpets, walls, floors, etc. Here are a few examples. Multiplication patterns. 1. Patterns in the multiplication of 4. We know that the multiples of a number are the numbers obtained by multiplying that number by another counting number. For example, 4 multiply 1 equals 4, 4 multiply 2 equals 8, 4 multiply 3 equals 12, 4 multiply 4 equals 16. Let us color all the multiples of 4 in the given 10 multiply 10 number grid. Your number grid would look like this. These multiples of 4 form different number patterns. A 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is the number pattern formed by the multiples of 4. B. Consider the following set of numbers which lie on the diagonal above. 6, 15, 24, 33, 42, 51. This is another number pattern where difference between two consecutive terms is 9. C. Look at the following table. Observe that the sum of the digits of each multiple of 3 shaded can be divided by 3. 2. Multiplying a number ending in 5 by itself. Every product ends in 25, and the remaining digits are obtained by multiplying the digit at the tens place by its next higher number. Now try. A 85 multiply 85 equals 7225. B 75 multiply 75 equals 5625. Check the above multiplication by actually multiplying the numbers. What do you observe? Can we extend this pattern to larger numbers also? If yes, fill in the blanks. 105 multiply 105 equals 11025. 3. Multiplying the same numbers having all digits as 1. We have. What patterns do you observe? What numbers will come in the blanks? The pattern is: the middle digit in the product is the sum of the digits of one factor. 4. Extension of numbers.
The following numbers follow a pattern. Can you tell the next two numbers?
3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. The above number pattern follows a certain rule, i.e., each number is 2 times the number before it. Thus, by simply looking at the series, you can predict the next two numbers. They are 48 and 96. In the same way, in the pattern 5, 50, 500, 5000, 50,000, if you multiply a number by 10, you get the next number. Can you write the next two numbers in this pattern? Addition patterns of consecutive numbers. 1. Adding 3 consecutive numbers. What pattern do we notice? We notice that the sums are multiples of 3. Also, the sum is 3 times the middle term. 2. Adding 4 consecutive numbers. What pattern do we observe? We notice that the sum of 4 consecutive numbers is either A. Twice of the sum of first and fourth number, or B. Twice of the sum of second and third number. Also, the sum increases in 4s. 3. Adding of 5 consecutive numbers. What pattern do we notice? We notice that the sum of the 5 consecutive numbers is a multiple of 5 and it is equal to 5 times the middle term. For example, 15 equals 5 multiply 3, 20 equals 5 multiply 4, 25 equals 5 multiply 5, etc. 4. Pattern in the sum of consecutive even numbers. What pattern do we notice? We notice that the sum of consecutive even numbers can be obtained by using the formula
sum of consecutive even numbers is equal to n plus 1,
where n equals number of even numbers. For example, when n equals 3, the sum equals 3 multiply 3 plus 1 equals 3 multiply 4 equals 12 equals 2 plus 4 plus 6. 5. Pattern in the sum of consecutive odd numbers. What pattern do we notice? We notice that the sum of odd consecutive numbers is the square of as many odd numbers are there.
Therefore,